Humanity's story is one of transformation. Fire, the wheel, space travel, each invention reshaping what it means to be human. Now we stand at the edge of our most profound transformation yet, rewriting the very code of life, our DNA. For millennia, evolution was slow and random, but that era is ending. We've learned to read the language of life, and now we're learning to write it. With new tools, we can edit our genome with breathtaking precision. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now. The power to cure ancient diseases and redefine human potential is in our hands. Imagine a world without hereditary diseases, where aging is treatable. Genetic engineering promises to alleviate suffering and unlock new capabilities. We're no longer just passengers on spaceship Earth, we're becoming the pilots. The universe's story is one of increasing complexity, and now we're taking the next step, engineering our own biology. We're turning our curiosity inward, guiding our own future. The next chapter of humanity is being written in the spiraling script of DNA. This journey is the greatest adventure we've ever undertaken. It challenges us to confront the essence of our identity. We are the first species to look back at the universe and now to look within. The tools we wield will shape not just our lives, but the destiny of our species. The story of life is no longer just about survival, it's about conscious evolution. We are the authors of our own future. The next chapter is not written in stone, but in our genes. The question is, what story will we choose to tell? The tool making this possible is CRISPR, a pair of molecular scissors for our DNA. Imagine your DNA as a vast library. For years, we could read the books, but not fix the typos. CRISPR is the pen that lets us correct those errors. Borrowed from bacteria, CRISPR uses a guide molecule to find a specific gene, then a protein called Cas9 to snip the DNA at the exact spot. Scientists can then provide a corrected template, and the cell repairs itself, rewriting the genetic code. It's a find and replace function for life itself. This process is precise, affordable, and accessible, moving genetic engineering from elite labs to thousands of scientists worldwide. CRISPR democratizes the power to edit life. It's not just about fixing disease, it's about shaping our biological future. The cosmic scissors are in our hands, ready to snip away disease and stitch in health. We're no longer passive observers of our biology. We can now intervene at the source. The implications are staggering. With CRISPR, we're rewriting the rules of what's possible. The age of genetic editing has arrived. The question is, how will we use it? For centuries, genetic diseases like sickle cell anemia and cystic fibrosis have haunted families. We treated symptoms but never the root cause, until now. CRISPR lets us correct genetic errors before they cause harm. Imagine scanning an embryo's DNA, fixing a faulty gene, and ensuring a child is born healthy. This is prevention, not just treatment. Over 10,000 diseases are caused by a single gene mutation. Many could be eliminated. Clinical trials are already using CRISPR to cure inherited disorders. We're on the verge of turning genetic fate into a choice. This is a fundamental shift in our relationship with biology. We can now offer future generations a legacy of health. The power to erase suffering is within reach. We are the generation that can say, no more. The era of inherited disease is ending. The secret to longevity isn't in a mythical spring, it's in our genes. Aging is a biological process governed by our DNA. Genetic engineering lets us target the genes that control aging and cellular repair. By studying centenarians, scientists are finding genetic variations that protect against age-related diseases. What if we could give everyone these protective genes? The goal isn't immortality but a longer, healthier life, extending our health span. Imagine reaching 100 with the vitality of someone half that age. Lab experiments have already extended the lives of animals by tweaking a handful of genes. Aging is more malleable than we thought. The genetic blueprint for a long, healthy life is within our grasp. The quest for the fountain of youth leads us back to our own DNA. The same technology that eliminates disease can also enhance normal traits, ushering in the era of designer babies. If we can fix a gene, what's to stop us from improving one? Parents could one day choose traits for their children: intelligence, athleticism, even personality. The line between therapy and enhancement blurs. The temptation to give children an edge will be enormous. Pre-implantation genetic diagnosis already lets parents screen embryos. CRISPR takes it further, allowing active modification. The tools for designing our descendants are here. This power comes with profound responsibility. We must ask, what do we value as a species? The conversation about our genetic future has already begun. We are standing at the threshold, deciding whether to cross it. Thousands die each year waiting for organ transplants. Genetic engineering could let us grow perfect, rejection-proof organs from a patient's own cells. Using therapeutic cloning, scientists can create stem cells that become any tissue: heart, liver, kidney. These organs are a perfect genetic match, eliminating the need for immunosuppressant drugs. No more waiting lists, just personalized medicine. Burn victims could receive new skin, diabetics, new pancreatic cells. We're learning to direct cells to become what we need. The potential to heal is immense. Our own cells could become the ultimate repair kit. Biological regeneration is within reach. The future of medicine is personalized, precise, and regenerative. Genetic engineering isn't just about healing, it's about upgrading. Imagine soldiers with greater endurance, astronauts resistant to space's dangers, or people with enhanced memory and learning. Scientists are identifying genes linked to intelligence and resilience. What if we could boost cognitive abilities, empathy, or creativity? Enhanced humans could tackle challenges from climate change to interstellar travel. We could choose to amplify our best qualities: wisdom, compassion, cooperation. But this path is filled with ethical questions. Genetic engineering is our most powerful tool yet. For the first time, we're improving not just our world, but ourselves. We are the architects of our own minds. The future of human potential is in our hands. With great power comes great risk. Genetic engineering could unite humanity, or divide it like never before. If enhancements are only for the wealthy, we risk a genetic caste system. The gap between the gen-rich and naturals could become unbridgeable. The challenge is access and equity. How do we ensure these tools benefit everyone, not just a privileged few? This is a moral and political question, not just a scientific one. We must build a framework for fairness and responsibility. The choices we make now will shape our future society. Genetic engineering reflects our values back at us. Will we use it to unite or to divide? The future of genetic engineering isn't distant, it's here. CRISPR-edited babies have been born. Gene editing is treating diseases today. We're growing organs in labs and editing life itself. For the first time, evolution is guided by intelligence, not just chance. We are the transitional generation, living between random evolution and intentional design. The responsibility is immense. Our choices will echo for generations. Edits to our DNA will be passed down, shaping the future of our species. We must proceed with humility and caution. The blueprint of life is in our hands. What we build will be our legacy. The world is changing at its most fundamental level. The age of genetic engineering is now. It will redefine health, ability, and what it means to be human. Our destiny is no longer just in the stars, it's in our genes. The next chapter of humanity is being